Hi, I'm Glen, founder and CEO of McGuire Financial from Edmonton, Alberta. Well, it feels tremendous to be one of the top six with Equitable Life. We've had a really good relationship with Equitable and really enjoy what they have to offer and support for advisors. I've been in the business for 20 years. It's been an exciting journey, meeting lots of people and creating extreme value for clients in a variety of ways, creating their portfolios. Expanded about 8 years ago. We discovered a concept called what we know today, the infinite banking concept, becoming your own banker by R. Nelson Nash. Infinite banking has impacted our business in terms of helping I would say business owners, families, individuals, become their own source of financing. And how we've done that, we do radio shows, talk to the experts, we educate people there, and ultimately we have people attend boot camps, which we do twice a month, and people come and spend a day with us to get educated on how they can become their own source of financing, be in control of the money. I would say that traditionally we all bank somewhere, and through this process of becoming your own banker allows people to be the bank owner, the banker, the depositor, and the borrower, all in one process. So the process of this concept, becoming your own banker, really is, the essence is to recapture all of the interest that one would normally pay on loans to a traditional bank. And so we educate people through our boot camps on teaching them just that process of how does that work using a unique type of dividend-paying whole life insurance. And a lot of folks that are in the business don't quite understand that. And really it's all about being in control. And so our clients or our prospects that we work with, we show them a process that helps them be in control of their money and financing the things that we all have need and want in our life. In our boot camp, when we talk about whole life insurance, really it's just part of the engine that just makes this whole process go. So we do spend probably about 20 minutes giving people parameters a little bit about life insurance. Mostly I would say, Dawn, is that people already have myths and beliefs about how banks, money, insurance works. And when people spend a day with us, really they kind of get a very much of a different paradigm shift in thinking after they leave the boot camp. So one of the comments that we get from our boot camp a lot from people is, how come I didn't know this 20 or 30 years ago, or someone would have introduced this to me. And I think people are just amazed that, and surprised really, that using a life insurance product to put money into it and use all of the functionalities that it has. Getting referrals from our clients that we work with, a lot of our clients introduce that to their friends, especially their children. They see tremendous value in that, in growing a financial basis, I guess, if you will, for the kids to buy cars, go to college, do a variety of things. Well, there's a couple of things. So we've co-authored a book called The Banker's Secret. Having Nelson Nash's book, Becoming Your Own Banker. We're online as well at McGuireFinancial.ca, so people can go there and find out all of the dates that we have for boot camps. We have a fair bit of literature on there just in terms of what this concept is, becoming your own banker. After people have attended the boot camp, we have a process where we meet with people and determine if there's a fit to work with them, and really get to know people, what their financial objectives are. And once a person becomes a client with our firm, really that's just the starting point. We go beyond that. We meet our clients every 6 months, annual reviews, and it's really a long-term relationship that we're developing. So a person that's just looking to buy a product and not do anything with it is probably not a good fit for us. Most rewarding part to our business today, I would say, it's just kind of seeing the smiles on people's faces, knowing that they've got, I think, something that they can really count on. They can build. That provides security and peace of mind more than anything, I think that they kind of found a path that's going to serve them well for a long time. The most satisfying aspect of our business, for me personally, I think is being able to get in front of the general public, generally being able to provide education. Our firm's built on education. We really believe that that's where that starts, and I think just having the opportunity to meet people and be able to make a difference and change their lives, I think that's probably the most gratifying aspect in my business today. I decided to write a book for Canadians, and it was titled The Banker's Secret. And my colleague Jayson, Lowe, and myself, through years of really training, traveling, there's been several books written on the subject that from the U.S., and really there wasn't anything on the subject here in Canada. And so Jayson and I, we decided that we were kind of compelled to write a book for Canadians, and so people could here in Canada really be able to apply it, how it works here. And so in our book we've got some really good stories about the concept, how it applies, some really good examples on how it can apply to Canadians, and just take advantage of this magnificent process of being the own banker in your life. We have Nelson Nash coming to Edmonton on September 24th, and we've had Nelson to Edmonton and Calgary several times. What an awesome man that's created this concept as we know it today, becoming your own banker. This will likely probably be one of Nelson's last trips here in Canada, so we're really encouraging people that want to attend that event in Edmonton on September 24th to either contact our office or on our website. This is really going to be a treat, and we're going to be sorry to see him not be around more on a professional basis. He will be doing his boot camps in Birmingham, Alabama, and just been an awesome experience knowing Nelson Nash.